Hello everybody and greetings from the 2018 Florida RV Supershow, Tampa, Florida.
I'm riding with my RV, wherever I want to be, because I'm free in my RV.
Here's the Winnebago Revel. Apparently this is a new one this year. It does have a four-wheel drive and it's quite elevated off the ground. Let's check it out. Okay, here we are, the Revel. This is very minimalist, obviously, and very short. This is like the 23-foot long chassis. We do have a compression refrigerator here. I do believe this is all electric, conventions cooked up. You know, standard automatic sink. Well, we have a pretty good counter extension here. I like the color profile. This is obviously a table, and I have no idea how to set it up, but if I find out, I'll let you know. Of course, the Mercedes 4x4 chassis, and this is the bathroom has a cassette toilet, I believe, and it doubles as a closet, so you can use it as a closet, or if you prefer to use it as a bathroom, you use it as a wet bath. A lot of people will use it as a closet because, as you can see, there's not a whole lot of room here. This is, you know, your sleeping area, your air conditioning, standard stuff. You have a fantastic style vent here, and just a couple of doors here, not very large. Oh, this one is quite longer, and yeah, that's. I do believe this has a bunch of solar panels in the roof, and this is the solar charge controller, and has a water heater. It doesn't say whether it's a Truma or not. It does. Okay, it has an inverter, and something is beeping, and I don't know what it is. Let me see if I can see. Well, I'm not gonna get on the roof, but it does have solar panels. Okay, in this one, as you can see, it's a very tiny little table. I don't know if this is gonna work for us. And of course, when the front seat is swiveled around, this is the whole table. So if you want to work on the computer and stuff, it's kind of small. And then this table, you can put it at whatever height you want. I guess if you really want to store something large here in the back, you could travel with the table up. So it's very versatile. Here we are approaching Hymer. Let's check him out. We see an Aktiv. Oh, it's windy. Okay, as I was saying, here we have an Aktiv 2.0, which is the slightly longer one. I guess they're going with the Aktiv 2.0 a lot, huh? Aktiv 2.0 is the one that has like a sofa bed in the back, I do believe. Let's check it out. No, it's just a longer bed. The Aktiv, actually, I think one of the nice things about the Aktiv is that it was short. So I think the shorter one would be a much better choice if you want to like park it anywhere. You know what I mean. So let's see it once again and see what's the possibilities of both of us working together side by side, which is our new our new premise here. And here's the Aktiv. We've seen it before. This is the wet bath with the sink that flips down. Hold on, let me turn this off because I don't need this mic anymore. Here we go. And that's the flip down sink. And okay. There, I guess you have to. And this is doubles as a shower head as well. If you do want to shower, this is the bed. And of course, it folds up to one side. It's not a true Murphy bed because you have to like do a little bit of a cushion puzzle there. And this is the table. I'm gonna see if we can assemble the table and see if we can both work side by side there. Spacious dining. I don't know, because we want some space to work, and I don't know how that's going to work for us. You know, I have the computer with a bunch of hard drives and stuff, and this is kind of on the narrow side. I was just, and I'm not really a wide body person, and I was having trouble walking through here, and I almost knocked down the TV. So I don't know. Anyway, it has the EcoTrek system from Roadtrek, I believe. So, and yeah, definitely another option. We shall see. And here's the Carado Axion. This is really short, and it's of course a ProMaster chassis based on the Fiat Ducato. I mean, it's a good use of space. This one actually feels more spacious than the Active. You have the bathroom back here. Same concept, folding wash bin. And this turns into a bed. Of course, no permanent bed, no permanent table. I guess this becomes a table. Oh, and this is also a table. Built-in workstation. I do believe it is a two-handed operation, so there we go. Other than that, standard stovetop, and I guess this is the only real sink in here. Let's see how deep. It's pretty deep. LED lighting, of course. That's standard nowadays. Okay, pretty cool. Let's continue. And here we come into the indoor section. Of course, we have the Prevo buses, and we have the road tracks and the pleasure ways. Let's check them out. And the Airstream is somewhere around here too. Well, as I said, this is kind of like a soft opening today, and a lot of the RVs are locked. But we're gonna see if we can check out the new Airstream. Otherwise, we'll do it tomorrow. And this is the new Airstream wide body. Has the bathroom in the back here. That's a very spacious shower. And, yeah, it has all these Airstream-esque accents. It's very cool. It does have it is a Murphy bed that comes down, so maybe we'll get to see it in action later. And this is a TV that goes up and down too, with a sound bar. It has, of course, the multiplex wiring. Oh, and they took a cue from what's this? From leisure travel vans. On the very nice deep sink, and this is yeah, two burner. Well, here you have this kind of, you know, cool. Until it breaks. Flying Cloud 23CB. So this is a 23. Oh, nice corner bed, huge sink. This could be a. If we wanted to go the trailer route. Definitely, this looks very comfortable for a 23 footer. And here's the bathroom, and I suppose it becomes very large shower area. The toilet is kind of high though, and then you can, I guess, very cool. And then this is sink outside. To pursue every urge. Model T. Fully self-contained cruise control, air pump and jack, steering heating, 2 bunk beds, washer, dryer, portable bathroom. This is everything. That's the outhouse. Model T 1-ton truck. Do a meetup on Saturday. That's where it's going to be, at that structure back there, in front of the seminars and the park models. Has this very prominent awning there by Liberty Outdoors. It's one of these fiberglass models, you know, like the Scams and the Casitas. But this is a pretty versatile floor plan here, and everything is like part of that fiberglass molding, which is very interesting. This is a small refrigerator down here. This is probably a furnace. Let me see what we have down here. Oh, oops, some storage. And then, you know, classic Dometic two burner stove and the sink. Pardon me, the standard of your system monitors. Storage. As you can see, this is a very open floor plan. You can do a lot with it. And then here's a small wet bath. Actually, it's not so bad when you think about it. I fit in here quite nicely. I'm 5'10", so there you go. Oh, here we have a closet. Pretty cool. Let's continue. For the minimalist in you, it's called my pod, and it's locked. Never mind. We might be able to check it out tomorrow. Phoenix Cruiser. These are also some of our favorite rigs here, and I don't think I've seen this one before. It's kind of short. Let me see if there's any literature in here. Has a kitchen here by the entrance with this counter extension. Very cool. Super dip sink, and this is the sink covers. You can put them back there. This is the two burner stove. We've seen them before. And here's the bathroom. It's on the smallish side, but yeah, you have room back here to put stuff. It's pretty ample storage here at the medicine cabinet. It comes with the MCD shades. Let me see if I fit in the shower. And it's a very little clearance, so if you're more than 5'10", like I am, you're probably gonna have a hard time taking a shower in here. Other than that, ceramic toilet, pretty cool. Let me see what else we have in here. Oh, it's a wardrobe closet, pretty big, and a Norcold three-way refrigerator. We've seen those. A pretty nice dinette here. It's based on the Ford chassis. I think this is a 250 E-Series. So there you go. So it is a van chassis, right? I think the E-Series is a van chassis. And then you have this. I guess this is your bed. It turns into a bed like this. And that's pretty quick. The one thing I found out, and I'm not gonna do it anymore, if you put in the slide, you know, the bed doesn't fit when you put the slide in. So if you're staying at a Walmart or something like that, at a place where sticking out your slide is not recommendable, then that wouldn't be a good thing, because you cannot slip unless you sleep in this. This I'm sure becomes a bed too. So yeah, pretty nice. Well, let's see what else they have at leisure time at the Phoenix Cruiser. I like this window right here by the kitchen, so you can see the landscape as you are cooking. And I like that the kitchen is right next to the door, because all the odors would come out. So very nice. Let's walk into this Phoenix Cruiser, and this will be the 2351. There's some storage here, and some more storage down here. I believe this is like a 25 footer, 24 and change. Very nice wooden floors here. The dinette is actually made into a bed, which is fine. This is a slide out. It's also in the Ford E-Series chassis. This is very nice. This is very comfortable. Chair here. This is my chair. Although the TV is there, so you know the TV is in the wrong place. But anyways, here we have. I very much like this wood color. This counter extension, which you don't really need because there's a lot of counter space in here. Corner bed, regular Norcold fridge, tiny sink in the bathroom. This is a plastic toilet. Yeah, this is fine. Has a vent there, a fantastic vent here. pretty spacious for what it is. Okay, this is the Camping World store here inside the RV show. Of course, today has been just pretty much a quick overview. This is Industry Day, and some of the RVs that I wanted to see were closed and no one to open them. But tomorrow we'll be back here, and I'll show you more of the Florida RV Supershow 2018. Stay tuned.
If you have enjoyed traveling with us, make sure you are subscribed and check out my other videos. Also, share it with your friends, spread the word, and leave me a comment. Now, if you really liked it, you have a chance to show your support at patreon.com/travelingrobert. As always, thank you so much for watching, and see you on the road.